What's up, everyone? Today we are reviewing COOFANDY's more casual pants. They are very nice. Now, I like COOFANDY. I like the brand. I have been working with the brand for many years on very many other clothing, shirts, shorts, pants. Always fit me. Sometimes those brands you're unsure of because they might run too tight, normally it's too tight. I was gonna say too long or too wide or too loose, but normally it's too tight. But COOFANDY gets their clothing pretty dialed in. So like these pants are true to size. Even without a belt loop, they're not coming down. So even without a belt, they have a belt loop, but without a belt, they don't come down. So you can use a belt with these if you want. For those who always seem to ask, yes, there is a zipper in the front here, and it's very wide. Like it goes from here, so this finger right here, to up here. So you have all that room here. So very nice open access zipper. Nice pockets. I would say they're small to medium depth pockets. Let's see on the back. 2 small to medium back pockets as well. They're just overall very nice pants. I like them. Like, I think they look good. You can move around in them, though you're probably not going to be playing a sport that you have to move too wild with them. But you know, sometimes you're at those casual events and you just gotta play some tennis and move around. You can with these a little bit, but they feel good. I like them. Overall, I think you will too.